Hi guys, it's Ashley. Today I'm with my cousin Leo. Say hi. This is our first videos, and I wish you can like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget that we will show you some new stuff we made. Today we made our first slime. How excited are you? Nah, he doesn't care. Well, we have proof here. Look. Ooh. I'm gonna grab it. Look, so sticky. Okay, so I'm gonna. What you guys need is
Go inside, please.
And what you'll need is system. Sorry, we changed spots and my cousin is here. We went to the bathroom, as you can see.
Isn't it shiny? We're rich.
My cousin wants to be rich one day.
We're rich.
I'm so big I can't. I'm gonna cry. Well, what you'll need is glue, bring me the other stuff. You'll need this, and a container and a spoon. We're only gonna do a little bit before we could do it fast. Cousin, may you close the door. Come on. Come in. Okay, he'll be out the video for a little bit. Come in. My cousin, he's crazy. Come in.
I'm crazy over everything.
No, you stay here. The video needs you. Okay, so now what you okay, we're gonna make the video not with it. You need a container and spoon. First, what you get your glue, you open it, and you just pour it. As you can see, I'm pouring it right now. We're not gonna make that much, so you don't need a lot. Cousin! Ooh, he's gonna get busted. Hey, I see you. We see you. Okay, people, you can see him right here. Look, come in. He just ran off. Sorry, this is the first video. He wants to be cool. There he is. Look. Hey, get the clothes out of here. Okay, now don't scare me. I'm gonna ask the most important thing ever. Oh my gosh, I poured so much.
Oh my god.
Get out of here if you're not gonna help. He wants to scare me. So we're just gonna pour it, as you can see. Just pour a little. This is like normal slime. We can put the rest back in here. My cousin, don't worry about him, because we're making our own video. Cousin, let's lock the door. Okay. Yes? Cousin, I know it's you. Sorry guys, I'm sick and this is my first video. So you can see I'm mixing it. And it gives us like a good green. Look at that, guys. You need to mix it very good. Ooh. Come in, cousin.
Hurry up.
Man, he wants to, it's that, we're gonna go to a party. He wants to hurry. But I wanted to make a video while we're waiting because my dad is eating and we invited him to the party. Look, and this is your slime. Well, guys, see you tomorrow. And if you
wait, this is the slime. Isn't that good?
Ooh, it's sticky. Look,
She's coming.
So worried. Look, we just need a little. Well, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Say cheese, cheese.